Shunjun Leader Display Products Limited has been at the forefront for the design, prototyping, supply of point-of-sale (POS) display products and packaging boxes for over 10 years. Our associated manufacturing plant has the perfect equipment, which in turn saves our clients money. We provide high quality of service in all areas, from start to supply. We also target to exceed our clients' marketing, advertising, and sales promotions needs. We also provide a large and varied variety of merchandising display products. Our portfolio includes the following, but is not limited to these products: cardboard floor displays, countertop displays, pallet displays, sidekick displays, dump bin displays, and mobile dump bins, standee displays, totem displays, displays with hooks, trolley boxes, colored and corrugated boxes. Versatility of our range of products assists our clients with eye-catching yet durable displays, which in turn increases the sales of their products. We have many different product series. Their versatility is more eye-catching, and the durable display increases the sales of customers' products. We provide a series of display shelves that can help display a variety of products, samples, and brochures, providing eye-catching exposure for your products. Our products are of high quality and have been sold to the United States, Australia, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, France, Japan, and other international and domestic markets. We look forward to working with you and forging a long-term relationship.